Hey coders, in this video we'll be creating a rectangle using the Python tutorial library. This is the part 39 of a Learn Python series, and for more such videos you can refer to our playlist of Learn Python. So let us get started to make a rectangle. So the very first thing as usual is to import our turtle library, and we'll import turtle as t, and then at the last we'll write t.main loop. We are writing this so that the screen does not disappear immediately, and here we'll be creating a line first. So let it be 100 pixels, and here we'll run our program. So you can see this line which is of 100 pixels, and the next thing is to rotate it by 90 degree. So we'll just write t dot right 90 degree. We can also write t dot left. It's according to our wish. We want the rectangle to be made above that line which we created just now, or below that. So let us create below that. So t dot right 90, and then we'll move forward by 200 pixels. 200. Now let us run this. So you can just see this is 100 and this is 200. We've rotated it by 90 degree. Okay, so let us rotate it again by 90 degree. It's very easy to create a rectangle or any other shape. Just you need to imagine that how the turtle will move. So you can see we have formed the three sides, and we can even see it clearly by importing time. So if we import time, and then we'll write time dot sleep 1, and we just copy paste this line here as well. So let us keep it this much only, and let us see. So you can see first it has moved forward, then it rotated and rotated and then moved forward. You can see this. We just write here 2, and then run. You can see forwarded, and then it has rotated towards 90 degree by 90, towards right by 90 degree. Then it has moved forward, then rotated, and then moved forward. So you can see this clearly. And now we have created this much of side, this one, and the last one, third. So now we need to rotate it again by 90 degree and then move forward 200 pixels. Okay, so better we just comment this time one, because we already saw how the arrow is moving. And now next thing is to rotate it by 90 degree and move forward 200. So let us run and see. So hooray, we have made a rectangle. So now let us see how to hide this arrow or the turtle. So for that we just write t dot hide turtle. Now it seems a good rectangle because that arrow is not visible. A turtle. If we want a turtle instead of that arrow, then what can we do? First let us comment this. We'll just change the shape by writing this t dot shape turtle. Now let us run, and we can see a turtle moving. If we want to increase the speed, then what can we do? We can just write here t dot speed 0. Sorry, Control S, and then we'll run. So you can see with such a fast speed it has created. Now let us just comment this and we'll just hide the turtle. Let us run and see. A rectangle is formed quickly. You can even change the width of the sides, the color, and you can even fill this rectangle with a particular color. For understanding that, you can refer to my other videos of creating a square or a triangle. This was all for this video. Stay tuned with us for more such videos. Happy coding!